Well, for our final example of separable differential equations, we will do one where we find the demand equation from the marginal revenue. Here I'm given the equation marginal revenue equals the quantity 50 minus 4Q times e to the power negative R minus 5. Right hand side is a product of an expression in Q and an expression in R. So it is a separable differential equation. Cross multiply, taking dq to the right hand side, then divide by the factor containing r on the right hand side. Cross multiply, divide by e to the power negative r over 5. And then I want to simplify the left hand side. To divide by an exponential, you multiply by exponential with the exponent's sign changed. dr divided by e to the power negative r over 5 is same as e to the power r over 5 dr. And then we integrate both sides. On the left, I have e to the power 1 over 5 times the variable. And by using our extended rule, we can integrate this in one step. On the right-hand side, I just have a polynomial, so I integrate using the power rule. So on the left, an antiderivative would be e to the power 1 over 5r over the quantity 1 over 5. On the right, using the power rule, I get 50q minus 2q squared. We will put the constant of integration on the right. Of course, I can simplify the left-hand side. Dividing by 1/5 the same as multiplying by 5. Of course, we need an initial value to find the solution to this. So remember, problems of finding demand equation from marginal revenue have always an implicit initial value. When the quantity sold is 0, the revenue is 0. So plug in 0 for Q and 0 for R. That gives us an equation for C. On the left, I have 5 times e to the power 0, which is 5 times 1 or 5. On the right, I just have C, so I get C equals 5. Plug that in here. That gives us an equation connecting R and Q. To find the demand equation, I need to solve for R and then find P by dividing R by Q. To solve for R, first I want to get the exponential by itself, so I'm going to divide by 5. I can distribute the division by 5, divide each term by 5. And to get rid of the exponential, I need to take ln, so I get r over 5 equals ln of 10q minus 0.4q squared plus 1. Multiply both sides by 5 to get r. For the demand equation, take p equals r over q. Divide this right-hand side by q, and that gives us the demand equation. Of course, we cannot really simplify this because we have the ln. This is as far as we can go.